How to convert Excel to a PDF. So I have this sample Excel file here and I want to convert it to PDF. How do you do it? Well, you don't need any outside sources. You can do it directly here in Excel by going to File, Save As. Then let's change the name here just to Financial. Drop this down. Come down to PDF. Then select Save. That should quickly save it as a PDF for you. So let's get rid of that. Here it is. Now the next way, if you don't have Excel, is to go to this website here, ilovepdf.com. Drop down to All Tools here and select Excel to PDF. Select this big red button. Locate your PDF, mine's here on the desktop, select it, select open, then convert to PDF. It should quickly do it and then automatically download. If it doesn't, press this big red button here. Mine's automatically started, as you see. It's gone into the downloads folder and here it is. Very similar way, however, if you haven't got Excel, that's how you do it. So that's two different ways how to convert Excel to a PDF. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.